Hello children, today we are going to study lesson number 10, that is more about patterns. This chapter to be done in textbook only. No need to do in the notebook. See, by the picture only you have understood that it is pattern. What is pattern? Pattern is regularly repeated arrangement of colors, shapes, designs, lines, etc. So similarly, activity 1 is given. Observe the pattern and complete. First one, compare the arrows and then go for the second one, then third, fourth and fifth, as on. You have to complete the blanks. Then in the second one, it is M, W and M. The dash will be W. Later on it will be M. Similarly, you have to do for third, fourth as well as fifth one is square, triangle, then square. Then sixth also, seventh. By seeing 1 and 2 pictures, you will come to know what is the difference and what you need to do. Next one, till now you have studied the picture as well as designs in the pattern. Now we are going to study for number patterns. What is number pattern in the higher class? Arrangement of numbers which has mathematical relationship known as pattern. By example, by adding two consecutive numbers, adding means plus, 2 means 1 and 1, consecutive means continuous. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. The consecutive next number is 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Similarly, we have activity 2 for it. Pattern in addition. First is adding 4 consecutive numbers. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there. Consecutive, I said, it is continuous. If you add, it will be 10. Similarly, in the second, if we add all these 4, we are going to get 4. So, what is the difference of these two? The difference of these two is 4. So, keeping in mind, if we go on adding 4 to the answer, that is 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 4, it is 26. So by this we find the answer. The second question is adding 4 consecutive even numbers. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, which are easily divisible by 2. If you add all these 4, you are going to get 20. In the second, 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 is equals to 28. Find out the difference. The difference is 8. Add 8 to 28, you will get 36. 36 plus 8, you will get 44. Later on, you will get 52. Then adding odd numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. Goes on. See. What is the 1, 2, 3? So, what is the next number? 4, then 5, then 6. So, in the second way also, 1, 2, 3 is there, then 4, 5, 6. 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. If we add 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is equals to, you will get 25 only. Activity 3, that is pattern in multiplication. Observe the pattern and complete them. 1 into 1, 1. 11 into 11, it will be 121. Compare the answer. In this, 3 is increased. That means 1, 2, then comes 3, 2 and then 1. Go for the next one. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 has been entered here. Then comes 3, 2, 1. So, after 4, we will add here 5. It will be, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Later on, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then, question number 2. What is that? 37 into 3. 37 into 3 into 1, it will be 1, 1, 1. 37 into 3 into 2, it will be 2, 2, 2. See, compare. First one is 1, 1, then 2, 2, then 3, 3. That means 4, 4, 5, 5. It will be there. Even if you multiply also, you are going to get the same product. Then the third one, 13 into 2 plus 3. 13 2s are 26 plus 3 it will be 29. Similarly 13 into 3 plus 3. 13 3s are 39 plus 3 it will be 42. See the difference is 13. So 42 plus 13 you will get 55. 55 plus 13 it will be 68. Similarly in the next one. Then question number 4. 5 5s are 25. 15 into 15 it will be 2 to 5. Then if you multiply this you will get 6 to 5. Later on 1 to 2 5 and 45 into 45 it will be 20 and 25. See here, compare the pattern. 1 2 3 4 is there, that means what comes 4 and then 5. The next one is 2 3 4, so the next will be 5 and 6. 25 as common, write down. If you multiply you are going to get the answers. Then activity 4, it is pattern with the 9. See the table of 9 is written here, and here 0 1 2, what is the next? 3 will come, 4 and 5. Then 9 8 7 6, it is a backward counting. After 7, before 7 it is 6, then 5 and then 4. So 36, split 36. 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. See, we got the pattern of 9 if we add 3 plus 6. Then 45, if you split 4 plus 5 it will be 9. Then comes 54. 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. We got the pattern of 9 here. The next one is 5, 4 is the, then 5 9 4. 5, then how many times 9 repeated? 2 times and then ended by 4. Then comes 5, 6, 1, 2 times 9, then comes 3 times 9 and then 4 times 9. Before and after the digits remains same. If you multiply also you are going to get the same product, and in the pattern it remains like this. The next one, third, 9 into 1 1 1 is equals to 9 9 9. Then similarly 1 2 3 is there. So what will be there? 4 and 5. The between 9 remains same. See the first one, it is 9 8 7 6, then comes 5 and 4. Then activity 5, observe the pattern in the missing and terms. 5, then comes 9, that means 5 plus 4 is 9. There is addition of 4. 17 plus 4 21, 21 plus 4 25, 25 plus 4 29. Similarly in the pattern D, 3 9 27 and 81 is there. So how we are going to get? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 3 81. That means by the numbers we are multiplying and that product to be again multiplied by 3, that is 243 into 3 you are going to get 729. 729 if we multiply we are going to get 2187. Question number 2, study the pattern and find the missing terms. So it is multiplication. 7 2s are it is 14, 11 2s are 22. So what will be there? 2 how many are 36? It is 18. Then B, 9 5s are it is 45, 5 4s are 20, 3 4s are 12. That means 3 12s are, what will be the answer? 36. C, 1 plus 2 we are getting 3, 3 plus 4 it is 7. Again 3 and 5 if you add you will get 8, 5 and 7 it will be 12. So 8 and 12 it will be 20. With this we complete our chapter, and you need to do in the textbook only.